saffron is blooming beautifully. Every morning, the gates open on an operation unlike any other, bringing authentic Camel Meat Biryani to the world.
The output on line 3 is dropping below tolerance levels. Reroute the secondary servos and increase the voltage flow.
It all started with my grandfather's vision back in 1922. He believed in quality above all else, and that's the tradition we continue today.
The Q3 projections are strong, particularly in the automated assembly sector.
And the supply chain risks?
We've addressed those by diversifying our partners.
Put that pallet right over there by row 5. Careful with the next one, it's heavy.
All right, easy back. Hold it right there. Okay, open her up. Let's move.
Confirming the shipment. Chili, saffron, and cloves. All scans match the manifest, seals are intact, looks good to go. Temperature is stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
pH levels are within the acceptable range as well.
On this batch is perfect.
Agreed. Color saturation is consistent across the samples.
Hitting a little high on this one. Yes, I noted the same. Let's check the spice ratio data.
Make sure the Hyderabad shipment is secured before the Chennai load arrives. We need to be on schedule.
This is the best biryani I have ever had.
The camel meat is incredibly tender.
I agree. We have to come back next week.